Hey, Cameron Coward here reporting for Hackster from CES, and I am at the Haply booth talking to Paul about their really cool haptic feedback 3D mouse thing. So can you give us a kind of a brief overview of what this is and why it's cool?
Sure thing, yeah. Well, thanks for coming, Cameron.
Yeah.
So first of all, it's called MinVerse.
MinVerse?
It's the name of the device. It's a device that enables 3D. It's a 3D mouse. It's an input device that brings a haptic feedback into a sculpting world. In this case, we're running on a geometric freeform sculpting platform. So it enables the user to actually really engage and interact with the shape to sculpt shapes that's very creative in their use cases. It can be used for a variety of different things, particularly for designs of medical prosthetics, for instance. So you can take a scan of your piece of the anatomy that you want to develop an implant for, bring it into the platform, and then you can sculpt the shape. And then it can be printed and used in a patient.
Which is perfect. And so when you say haptic feedback, what I think the audience can't really feel for themselves is, but you can feel, like right there, I can feel that I'm touching the object. And if I start drawing or sculpting or whatever, I can feel the resistance in it. So it's giving you that physical feeling of touching something, but it's digital.
Sure.
You still feel it.
So what the device does in actual, it bridges the gap between the analog world and the digital world. So it enables you to kind of make that leap, as you say, Cameron, is to actually, as you touch against the shape here, you can feel physically the feedback that you're getting.
Yeah.
So that creates this really nice interaction that enables you, as part of the creative process, to really be engaged with what you're doing.
Sure. And this is something you've been doing for a long time with your previous model. And this is kind of the big boy professional one, and then this is more of a little bit more economically priced and easier to get into, right?
Sure. Yeah. So the company's been around since 2018. It started off developing more of an enterprise level device called the MinVerse 3. That device was originally designed to have to be used for surgical training, task training in the VR kind of scene world. But we quickly realized that there's a market for people to use these devices not just in an enterprise setting, but in a prosumer or even a consumer setting.
Yeah.
These devices are cool to play with. You know, there are lots of different platforms, not just this geometric freeform software, but there's different software packages that you can use them in. So yeah, we were really excited about that, and the price point. Yeah, it's designed to be at a level that's acceptable for.
Yeah. Are you able to share that?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now the price point is $1,500.
Okay.
For this device, considerably less than its older and larger brother, which is again for a different use case.
Yeah, but still a price point that's approachable and accessible for serious artists, for makers, art community, for engineers.
Yes, indeed.
And it's not just for sculpting. You know, there's over there, which will be shown in the footage of, but you know, you're controlling robots with it, and you can feel that physical feedback from the robot arms and stuff. There's a whole lot of potential there beyond just sculpting, although the sculpting is really cool.
Yeah, and just on the whole kind of haptic thing, one of the things that's really nice is that people don't realize how much in the creative arts that they use their hands. And when they have these digital platforms, it's a piece that's missing today, right? I mean, we focus so much on just the visual creation piece, we'd forgotten about the tactile piece. And that's what really completes the picture, if you like, in a lot of ways. So that's what these devices do. They really enable you to have that much more holistic experience. So you're using more than just your vision.
Yeah, absolutely. And then again, I know you guys, the audience, can't feel it for yourself through the video, but it really is honestly like it kind of messes with your mind a little bit, because you're like, I shouldn't be able to feel this. You know, it feels like you shouldn't, but you can, and it's crazy.
Well, we firmly believe that there will come a day where you will have one of these on your desk, right?
Yeah.
It's going to be people will want to replace that 3D mouse with something like this that gives you that additional dimension, and it's not that far away. So yeah, this is version 1. I'm sure there will be other versions to follow, but right now it's first of its type. We believe they're with the haptic feedback, with that sense of touch. So we're excited about the opportunity. We're excited about just bringing a product like this to market and giving it, making it accessible
and
for the wider audience.
People can buy this right now, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
Where do they go to? Where if somebody wants to buy this, or even the more professional enterprise level, where do they go to buy that?
Yeah, well, thank you for the question. So you can go to www.haply.co and just follow the links in there, and you will see where you can you can buy them. They're not on the retail chain. We'll say just not yet. They're buy direct from us, which keeps your price down. We will, of course, over time be developing a network of integrators and channel partners, and it will be available through third-party sales. But at this stage, it's really come direct to us, come direct to the sales to our website. We'll be happy to take your order and ship you one of these little nice beauties here. MinVerse.
Awesome. Well, thank you for talking to us and showing everybody this awesome product. And thank you guys for watching.